Dear colleagues, I would like to invite you to the 10th International Meeting on Nutrition and Growth that will take place in London between March 30th and April 1st, 2023. This very popular and well-attended meeting brings together clinicians, scientists, and other healthcare providers to the one and only meeting dedicated solely to nutrition and growth. Over 10 years, we assembled a dedicated group of professionals and hope that those of you not yet part of our community will come to the meeting and join our enthusiastic group. Together, we look forward to another 10 and more years of success, paving the way to discuss and promote the knowledge, the research, and treatment in the field of nutrition and growth. See you in London.